Hi, I'm Nikhil from grade 7. This is my INS CAS activity where today I will be talking about different types of pollution and how they affect our ecosystem. Firstly, when I say ecosystem, this is what I mean. It is a community of living organisms interacting with the non-living components of the environment. This means we all coexist in complete synergy. Friends, we are all aware of the three types of pollution causing a concern to our ecosystem. They are air, water, and soil pollution. Let me start with the most widespread pollution, which is air pollution. Our atmosphere is getting polluted by the heat inducing greenhouse gases, which include excess emissions of carbon dioxide, methane, carbon monoxide, volatile organic compounds, nitrogen oxide, and sulfur oxides, popularly called NOx and SOx. Human activities, industrial production, mining activities, use of fossil fuels, transportation by various modes like road, air, and sea all emit these greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide is crucial and needs to exist, but when it crosses the required limits, it is harmful. The heating potential of many gases like HFCs, PFCs is very high. Thus, excess levels causing global temperature to rise, causing climate change which is irreversible. This adversely affects the ecosystem and causes spread of vector-borne diseases in humans and animals. Next comes water pollution. Pollution of our water bodies like lakes, rivers, streams, seas and oceans. Human rejects dumping of huge quantities of plastics, PVC flex sheets, pan masala packets, hazardous materials, nuclear waste go deep into the waterbed and make the water toxic. Algae formation reduces dissolved oxygen in water, and it doesn't allow sunlight to penetrate into water bodies, thus killing aquatic life, corals and marine habitat. Lastly, let's talk about land or soil pollution. Land pollution is nothing but the dumping of solid and liquid waste on land. This includes dumping of municipal waste on a daily basis, littering on roads and gardens, use of urea and other artificial fertilizers, pesticides, fungicides, dumping of industrial waste and other commercial activities. Let us not forget that cows and other animals end up eating nearby plastic bags because there is food in those bags, thus causing choking hazards and bloated stomachs. Liquid waste mixes with water bodies, rainwater, and forms toxic leachate. This leachate percolates down and mixes with underground drinking water, leading to waterborne diseases. This is how pollutants have entered our food chain of plants, animals, and human bodies. This is not only causing extinction of many species of flora and fauna, but causing fatal health hazards in human beings, like various types of cancers, hormonal disorders, organ failures, etc. Well, we need to stop and reflect. We need to draw a line if we want to coexist in this ecosystem and increase the number of years of human existence on Earth. We need to make lifestyle changes, choose vegetarianism, and reduce our consumption and wants. We need to focus on energy efficiency and renewables like solar, wind, and tidal energy. We must propagate the green buildings revolution. Use materials that can be either recycled or materials that are recyclable after use. We must switch to organic fertilizers, rainwater harvesting, and increase recycling rates of solid and liquid waste water. Let's adopt trees and maintain them. It is in our hands. Remember, every small step leads to a big impact. Thank you.